I've been able to consistently make $20,000 to $30,000 per month from my phone without having a boss and without working a regular job for the last 5 years. And in this video, I want to break down the number one thing that I've been able to do that's actually allowed for me to do that at 22 years old. I'm going to walk you through the whole entire process step by step so that by the end of this video, you know exactly how you can go out there, get after it, and potentially make it happen for yourself. Before I jump in, I just want to say this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not for people who look for a handout. It's for people who actually want to learn real skills and actually want to be able to make money for the long term. So if that is you, lock in. I'm about to explain to you guys the exact business model that got me low-key rich at 22. So if you've ever seen those online course influencers, they're people who just sell expensive coaching programs. They sell expensive services and they get a bunch of leads inbound because they run ads, they create content. They have a bunch of people who are reaching out, applying, saying they are interested in either their coaching or high ticket service. These business owners are just way too busy creating content, running ads. They're running the fulfillment side of their business. So they're helping the actual clients and customers who sign up. So they just are doing everything in the business except for selling. Now that said, they have a ton of warm inbound leads that need sold to. Basically people, like I said, who already filled out an application and said, hey, I'm interested. And so the cool part about this is they go and hire 1099 contractors, basically just remote sales reps, people who can go out and sell to their warm inbound leads. So to put it simple, that's what I've been doing over the last 5 years. I've been selling for these online influencers and I make a commission on any deal that I close. The average price for the deals that I close are anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 selling for these online influencers. And so on that, the average commission I'm making is 10%, meaning on a $5,000 program, I'm making $500. On a $10,000 program, I'm making $10,000. These could be any programs that explain how to lose weight, explain how to get into an online business, explain how to actually grow somebody's business. Like, there's a million different coaching programs out there, and basically all of them are hiring these remote sales reps. So I take a 30-minute to 60-minute phone call or Zoom call with people and basically just break down what's included, answer a lot of their questions, and bring them through a simple sales process. And on the other side of that, I'm making $500 to $1,000 commission take home in my pocket. I first started doing this at 16 years old and I was just selling a very cheap program. And so I was making $100 on every single deal I closed. That resulted in me making $2.9 thousand my very first month at 16 years old. I was 16, I had no experience, and honestly that money at the time felt crazy. By 18 to 19 years old, I was closing $15,000 to $20,000 a month take home profit. So I was making 15 to 20 grand a month working from my laptop. Pretty sick, if you ask me, okay? And I was working anywhere from like 5 to 6 hours a day to actually be able to do this. Now, in general, there's two remote sales jobs that you can work as. You can either work as an appointment setter or you can work as a closer. To make 15, 20,000 a month, you're definitely going to need to be closing, and it's going to require a decent amount of work, right? Like, you're pretty full-time at that point. You have the autonomy because you're making money remote, so you can travel, you can create your own schedule, take calls whenever you want, but you're gonna have to put in a good amount of work. Now, in order to get an entry-level role, like an appointment setting role, where all you're doing is just qualifying the leads, that's where, honestly, you can have a lot more flexibility. Like, I have a student who's making $4,000 a month right now on an appointment setting role, and he's working like 2 hours a day. So the reality is, if you just want a part-time role, you want something that's a lot more flexible, you can definitely get into appointment setting. Now again, to cover how this works, a lot of people are confused about how you actually get the leads. The business owner, the influencer, is the one who's actually going out there and advertising. So they're creating content, they're running ads, they have a funnel, they have all the things that basically get people to apply and say, I'm interested. And then it's the appointment setter and closer who actually close the deals and get paid whenever those deals close. And then from there, the influencer business owner is also responsible for fulfilling. So you're basically like the middleman as the salesperson. You're just making money from the sale. The reason this is such a straightforward business model for a lot of new people who get into it is because you don't have a bunch of different complex skills or teams or ads that you have to run. It's just one simple skill, which is being able to talk to people on the phone and sell them. If you're really good at talking to people, you have like natural conversation ability. Honestly, this becomes a walk in the park once you actually learn the right sales system and process to use. Now, the other thing a lot of people ask is, how do you actually land these remote sales jobs? So it's pretty simple and straightforward. You have two options. One, you either know people, you build connections, and you try to land one of these jobs on your own. 2, you go through like a recruiting company that helps you to actually land a job. That's where my one-on-one mentorship comes in. I just help people every single step of the way to actually land a job. I get them the jobs, I help them with the applications, I help them on the interviews, so I just help them to land jobs. That's why most students that are working with me end up landing a job within 2 to 4 weeks of actually joining. Now that said, I don't accept everybody inside my mentorship, so you have to talk with me or my team to figure out whether it really even makes sense and whether I can help you to land a job, because I'm not going to bring you inside if I can't help you land a job. If you guys are interested in that, you can go down in the description and apply to work with me one-on-one. Fill out the application, takes like 30 seconds, and you'll figure out whether you're qualified or not. And then from there, if you are qualified, you'll be able to book a call with me or my team so that we can walk you through what those steps actually look like to get you into a remote sales job. If you guys have questions before applying, you can always DM me on IG, and I will see you guys in the next video.